Hi, Idli here from Stigma.is, your Dynamics 365 customer engagement and Power Platform expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically be notified when somebody opens your email attachment. It's an additional option to the current notification options inside of Email Engagement Solution. If you haven't checked out my previous video on email engagement, I recommend you check it out first. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and configure a flow for the notifications. Then you will test and validate the flow. So let's get started. Start by navigating to make.powerapps.com and create a flow from blank. Click flow, new, automate it from blank. Give your flow a name and choose the when a record is updated in CDS trigger as your trigger. When a record is updated, click enter to search, choose the common data service. Now you need to define the trigger, choose the environment, entity, and scope for the trigger, as well as the field that stores the attachment opens. Select current environment, entity name, email messages. Scope is going to be organization. The attachment opened count. This lets the flow know which field on the email record you would like to monitor. In this case, you want to monitor changes to the attachment open count. Next, you insert a condition where you define criteria that have to be in place for the notification to be sent. Click next, new step. Select control and then select condition. In the first condition, we'll select attachment open count is greater than or equal to 1. This checks if the number of opens your attachment has received is a positive number. Next, we'll add the second condition, and that's to insert category does not contain notification sent. Dynamic content, look for category. And we want to choose is not equal to notification sent. This is a label we will use to check if a notification has already been sent. When the condition is true, you want the email notification to be sent. First, you need to get the user's email and then you will send him a notification. Click add an action. Search for get record. Get record common data service. Choose current environment and environment. And users and entity name. And the item identifier is going to be the owner of that email. Below the get record action, click add an action. Choose send an email notification. Send an email notification version 3. You have to accept to create a connection. And for the 2, we're going to put in the primary email of that user record. And in the subject, we're just going to create attachment opened for. Then we'll put in the subject of that email. And then we're going to put in here contact, and then the name or the email of the contact. I'm gonna put in the 2 recipients value here. Dynamic contact has opened your attachment. Okay, let's click save again. Finally, choose add an action and search for update record. Common data service again. Now you want to update the email message with the label we defined in our condition to ensure that the user doesn't receive more than 1 notification. So again, we're going to choose current environment. Entity name is going to be email message. And the record identifier is going to be our email message. And then we click on show advanced options, and we're going to find our category. I'm going to paste in that value, notification sent. This label is necessary to indicate somewhere on the record that a notification has been sent to the user. You can use any field. In this case, I'm using an out-of-the-box field. If you're using category for something else, I recommend creating a custom field to store this value. The last step is to check if everything works. I've already sent an email from CRM to a contact with a followed attachment. What we'll do is click on test and select that we'll perform the trigger action, save and test. Now I'm going to open up that email attachment. Let's wait for it to open. Okay. Let's minimize this and wait for the flow to run. Your flow ran successfully, and the expression result from the condition is true. Let's check if that email has been sent to Jon Jonsson. And here it is, attachment opened for you are invited. Let's click that email again, that email attachment again. Let's see if the flow runs. You can see it here in the overview of the flow. 3 seconds ago, succeeded. And the input is false. You can see here. Side of the body. Should find our value. Category, here it is, notification sent. So this was successful. Great. Again, for more details, visit my blog. If you like this content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and blog. Have a nice one.